Riley Strand's family is taking legal action. 1 year after the University of Missouri student drowned while attending his fraternity's formal in Nashville, Riley's family has filed a lawsuit against the Delta Chi fraternity as well as individual members of the school's chapter. In the wrongful death suit, obtained by E! News, Riley's family accuses the fraternity and many of its members of negligence and vicarious liability, including that the organization instills, quote, a code into its fraternity members that encourage or taught fraternity, quote, brothers to abandon one another instead of helping one another. The suit chronicles the alleged events surrounding Riley's March 2024 disappearance in Nashville, Tennessee, including that the buses carrying the fraternity brothers and their guests to the formal held beverages containing more than 15% alcohol by volume, which is prohibited in, quote, the prevention education component of Delta Chi's policies and procedures. The suit also discusses the decision of Riley's fraternity brothers to allow him to walk home to the hotel by himself after being kicked out of a bar. Reading, when a bar kicked Riley out, Riley's fraternity brothers had two options. 1, go with Riley, make sure he was safe, and take care of him, or 2, continue to party. Riley's Delta Chi brothers chose to continue partying. The family also accuses the fraternity brothers of failing to act after realizing their son had gone missing, claiming Riley's roommate for the night saw that Riley was not in the room and did nothing. There was no search, no panic, and no one called 911 to report that Riley had failed to make the 12-minute walk back to the hotel in over 3 hours. The fraternity brothers did not even think to call Riley's parents. They simply got ready for bed and went to sleep. Riley's family is seeking a jury trial and unspecified damages, as well as compensation for the pain and suffering they say Riley experienced before his death at 22.
You know, generally speaking, yeah, you are responsible for your own conduct, and especially when you go out drinking and all that kind of thing. However, this is an organized event by a fraternity. If it wasn't for the fraternity, these kids would not be there. They absolutely have some responsibility to keep their members, you know, these kids safe and make sure they come home alive. It's difficult to always control how much somebody drinks, but once they're kind of past the point of wasted, they do have a duty or obligation to keep that person safe. You will see a number in the settlement on this thing if they're smart. Otherwise, it's going to go to a trial and it will come back with a verdict in favor of this family and against the fraternity. My own kid is in a fraternity, and if something happened to him in the same circumstances, I would absolutely be going after him. Sure, they can have their fun and be a little wild and crazy and party, but like, they better not kill him. So if this came across my desk, I'd absolutely be interested in pursuing it. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.